If the UV light has gone out in your heating and air conditioning system, then follow along and I'll show you how to replace it. When there's no blue light on this unit, then it's not working to kill the bacteria and contaminants inside. So the first thing to do is to unplug or turn off the power to the UV box. Then remove the screws that hold the cover on. Now your UV light air purifier might look different than mine, but you'll still have to remove the cover to get to the bulb. This is a really simple device, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to do this repair yourself. And you can definitely see what I mean when the cover comes off. It's just a wire connector and the UV light itself. And what you need to do now is to separate the connectors. Just press the locking tab and pull it apart. To remove the UV bulb, there'll be 2 thumb screws that hold the element in place. These are only finger tight and will come out with very little effort. Now take the UV element and slowly pull it straight back. Here you can clearly see that the bulb is burnt out, and the filament inside is very much like what's inside a regular light bulb. So here's the new UV bulb I ordered. It's actually my second one because the first one I ordered arrived shattered because it wasn't packed very well. When handling the new bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your fingers, so keep that in mind when inserting it back into the box. Then just line up the notches with the screws. I hope you can see how easy this is to do. At this point, use the plastic nuts to secure the UV bulb to the back of the box. And be careful not to over-tighten them. They just need to be tight enough so it won't move. Once the bulb is in place, it's time to reconnect the wires. It should only fit together one way, so you can't mess this up. Next thing to do is reattach the cover and we're almost done. Overall, this little project will probably take you about 5 minutes total to complete. The more difficult part is finding a replacement bulb, so I've listed a few different models in the description to make it easier for you. But once the cover is back on, plug the unit back in and the little blue light will tell you it's working again. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.